To fix this error, enable TLS 1.2. Now for this, you have to run this PowerShell script in PowerShell. So you can go to this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see TLS 1.2. Now you can either go to registry and you can make these changes one by one, or you can simply scroll down. And here you can see PowerShell script to enable TLS 1.2. So you can copy this script from here. The script is also provided in the video description. So copy it and then type in PowerShell in Windows search box, and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on Run as Administrator. Make sure that you run Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Click on Yes to allow, and you can paste the script over here and then hit the Enter key. And once this is done, you can restart your computer. And after the system restart, you should not receive this error anymore. Also, one more thing, you can just type in inetcpl.cpl in Windows search box and then click on inetcpl.cpl and then go to Advanced tab, scroll down and make sure Use TLS 1.2 is checked over here, and then hit apply, OK, and then check. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.